1, 2, 3, 4. And this is an in-spin flower on the side plane, moving through these 4 positions in diamond mode. 6, 7, 8, left, back, right, front, both up, left, front, right, back, 1. Left, back, both up, left, front, and down. Left, back, both up, left, front, and down. Left, back, both up, left, front, and down. That's 4. And that's 5. Left, back, both up, left, front, right, down. Left, back, both up, left, front, back, down. Or T-I-T-I. The titty drill is good for you. And do the drills if you're for real, and that's gonna make your art more awesome. No joke. Instead of trying to call out both arms, because it's very difficult to do, I will call out the left arm. Left arm's overhand, right arm's underhand. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, back, up, and front, down. Back, up, front, down. Left, back, up, front, down. 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 8 more. And come T, I, T, I, T, I, T, I, T, I, T, I. 4 more. And 3 more. Last 2. And last 1. 4 repetitions in each position. 5, 6, 7, 8. And back. And go up, 2, 3, 4, front, 2, 3, 4, down. And second set, back, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, front, 2, 3, 4, and down. And third set, back, and then go up, and bring it front, and then come down, and then last set, going back, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, front, 2, 3, 4, and down, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sets of 4 repetitions in each of the 4 positions. And 5, 6, 7, 8. So front, 2, 3, 4, and top, 2, 3, 4. Back, strong core, and come down. And then second set to the front, and go up, and keep a nice facial expression as you go back, and then come down. Third set to the front, 2, 3, 4, and up, and go back, and come down. And last set, front, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, back, and come down. Let's start with the left hand at the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, up, front, down. Back, up, front, and down. Back, up, front, 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 down. Back, up. 8 more times. Back, up, front, down. Back, up, front, down. Back, up, front, down. Back, up, front, down. 4 more. And 3 more times. And last 2 times. Back, up, front, down. Last time. Up, front, and down. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, up, back, down. 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 8 more. Up, back and down, front, up, back and down, front, up, back, down, front, up, back, down. 4 more, up, back, down, front, up, back, down. 2 more. And last one, up, back, and down. Okay, now we're going to go back to the left hand in overhand. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, up, front, down, 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 back, up, front, down. 8 more. Up, front, down, back, up, front, down, back, up, front, down, back, up, front, down. 4 more. Up, front, down, back, up, front, down, back, up, front, down. Last one. Up, front, and down.